iPhone 14 Pro Max, display and back glass totally broken? Let's start. First step is to remove bottom two screws. Next, broken display is been removed. Luckily, no motherboard physical damage is seen. Let's check with the original display. Apple logo is seen. Display works and fully functional. Let's change the back glass. iPhone 14 Pro Max back glass is really strong. It's important to remove back glass carefully. Back glass is almost removed. It's almost done. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon.